Hi, I'm Tyler Kosowski with Dice Corp, and today I'm going to be showing you how to track history on signed documents. You can do this by going to Prospect Information, clicking on the Proposal tab, selecting a proposal that has already been signed by the rep, hitting the Signed button, and then the View Documents button. This will take you to your signed documents. From here, in the top right-hand corner, you will see the History button. This will allow you to view any actions that have been taken on that document, whether that's the customer viewing, signing, or accepting electronic agreement. I hope that this helps you, and have a great day.